Good day, sir. I am Jane Belignacio. I am about to recite the Rule 111, Rule 112 in relation to DC 015 and DC 020, Rule 113, Section 1 to Section 14, Rule 114, and Rule 126. Rule 11 explain how criminal case and civil cases are connected. When they can be filed together or separately, what happened if one case is filed before the other. What to do if the accused dies and how a related civil cases can pause a criminal trial. Rule 112 relation to DC 015 and DC 020. What is preliminarily required? Preliminarily required if the punishment is 4 years, 2 months, and 1 day. Evidence needed, just a probable cause. Tools used, mostly paper and person. Can prosecutor dismiss weak cases early? No. Must go through full personal investigation. What does DC 0202 do? Not applicable. If you're handling a case or complaint, it's important to check whether it falls under old rule 112 or is now governed by DC 015 or 020, especially due to the change and penalty their hold and stricter evidence standard. Rule 113. Section 1. What is arrest? Arrest is taking a person into custody so they can answer for a crime. Section 2. How arrest is made. There's two ways how arrest is made. Actual restraint, physical holding or restricting movement. 2. Voluntary submission, person willingly goes with the officer. No unnecessary violence, only needed force to hold the person. Section 3. Duty of arresting officer. If arrest is with a warrant, officer must bring the person immediately to nearest police station or jail without delay. Section 4. Executing the warrant. Head of the office must make sure the warrant is carried out within 10 days. After 10 days, officer must report to the judge what happened, including if arrest failed and why. Section 5. When arrest without warrant is allowed, a police officer or even an ordinary person can arrest without a warrant when in flagrant delicto they see the person about to commit or has just committed a crime. Number 2, hot pursuit. A crime has just happened and they have personal knowledge the person did it. Number 3, escape. The person escaped from jail or prison or while being transferred. If arrest under 1 or 2, must be brought to the nearest police station immediately. Section 6. Time of arrest. Can be done any day, any time, day or night. Section 7. Arrest by officer with warrant. Must tell the person reason for arrest and that warrant exists. Exemptions: if the suspect flees, resists, or telling them would endanger the arrest, officer doesn't have to carry the warrant at the time but must show it after arrest is requested. Section 8. Arrest by officer without warrant. Must tell the person that they are an officer and the reason for arrest. Exemptions: if the suspect is in the act, fleeing, escaping, resisting, or if telling them would endanger the arrest. Section 9. Arrest by private person. Must say intent to arrest and reason for arrest. Someone exemption as Section 8. Section 10. Calling for help. An officer can ask people nearby to help arrest. People asked must help if they can do so safely. Section 11. Entering or building a building. Officer can break into a building to arrest someone with or without warrant if they announce their authority and purpose, and they are refused entry, and they reasonably believe the person is inside. Section 12. Breaking out. Officer who entered legally can break out of the building if needed to leave safely. Section 13. If arrested person escape, anyone can immediately chase and arrest and escape anytime, anywhere in the Philippines. Section 14. Right to a lawyer or relative visit. If the arrested person requests a lawyer, can visit anytime, day or night. Relative can also visit following reasonable jail rules. Rule 114. Bail. Bail is your temporary ticket out of the jail before your case ends, but it's a serious legal promise backed by money, property, or trust. Break that promise and you lose the bail and possibly your freedom again. Rule 126. Search and seizure. It sets the rules for when and how law enforcement can legally search a person, home, or property and seize items related to a crime. Search warrant must be issued by a judge based on probable cause and must describe the place to search and item to seize. Proper court. The application must be filed in the right person where the crime happened or where the warrant will be enforced. What can be taken? Item used and connected to or resulting from a crime. Strict procedure. Searches must be done properly within 10 days in the presence of witnesses and with receipt for seized item. Search without warrant only allowed during a lawful arrest. Rights of the accused. You can challenge the warrant or suppress evidence obtained legally. And the essence of Rule 126 protects people from illegal searches while also giving police a clear legal way to collect evidence. And that's all. Thank you.